Good.
Okay. Guys, experiments on your desk, Caleb. Caleb, first step, please, from yesterday.
Get rid of
Yeah, good. What's the opposite of negative 3?
6.
Good. So we're just going to say 4x minus 3.
Look at that sweet phone and it's a lot. No, I did not.
Okay, that's looking good. Okay, Lucas. So what's negative 3 plus 3 the same as? What's 3 minus 3? 0. So it's 4x. What's 9 plus 3? 9 plus 3 is?
12.
Good. All right, Mason. Last step here to solve for x. Can't hear him because he says fun. Bye-bye. Good. So you should get x equals 3. Okay. So hopefully this is coming back from yesterday. Hopefully, Anthony, this is feeling okay from yesterday. This is all right? All right, Ethan. You're the star of the show. First step here is going to be what, please? Okay, so 3. Yeah, still. And now we negative 8. I'm having problems here. That's okay. All right. All right, Alexandria. What is negative 1 minus 8, please?
I guess 7.
Close. Negative 9.
I don't know.
It's okay. So what you should do for this is I might actually print out, maybe this is more when Mr. Simmons comes here, I might grab the, what's it called, the number line thing, okay? So what, if you think of the number, remember, did we do the number line on the board yesterday? My problem line.
No, we didn't.
Did we do the number line on the board? Okay, so the idea of the number, it's miraculous. I don't know why it's doing that, okay. So anyway, if you have negative 8, if you're going to subtract, you go this way. If you add, you're going this way. Okay, so then negative 8 and then minus 1 is going to negative 9. I go that way. Okay, so I'll print out a number line maybe. I'm going to get this run down and get it for me in a second here.
That is cool.
All right. So then we'll go 3x equals negative 9. Okay, Aiden, last step here. What are we going to do?
2 to 5.
5?
3.
Okay. And what's the negative 9 divided by 3, please?
Or negative.
Negative 3, very good. Okay. Okay, so hopefully this is coming back. So hopefully this is coming back to people a little bit from yesterday. Okay. So again, if there's questions, please be brave and ask. I know we have me and also the greatest helper in the history of the world. This is more. Sorry to everyone else if you're listening. Okay. But the greatest helper in the world, Mrs. Moore, that can come and help us out here for anything. Okay, we're sort of good. Am I gonna hammer people on earbuds this year? Do you think this is more or no? So I see about 1, 2,
Yeah,
3,
Jerry,
4,
when
5.
you're talking, please should be listening.
Okay.
But I mean, when it's work.
Please be respectful when I'm doing my thing and take your earbuds out, okay? Because we've got 5 people doing it.
You need your think they can multitask, but your brain's can't.
I'm with you. I'm with Mrs. Moore. I'm with you. Everything Mrs. Moore says, don't get mad at her. Get mad at me. Okay, that's for that. Okay, here's today's lesson here, please. So you can take out your notes, please. First of all, take out your table of contents, and our title today was probably the same as it was yesterday, which is probably the same title as yesterday, actually. So if you remember from yesterday, our title is going to be algebra, our can't talk today. Our date is going to be September the 5th, and we'll probably be on page 2 of the notes. Now the title every day is going to be algebra, copy of the please. So again, so again, just should look something like this. Okay, so this is very neat printing. Okay, you can see that. And just do your best job. Okay, if you forgot your binder today, that's okay. Just make sure you do it tomorrow. Okay. So you do your best thing. Well. All right, good. All right, here we go. All right, so who are we up to? Up to Nahani. Okay, so here we go. So when when multiplying, brackets, multiply everything outside. Oops, multiply. So as Mrs. Moore will tell her Mr. Lacey joke, I'm sure in a minute, okay, but I'll let her do that, okay? So what we're doing is I'll do the first one, and then we'll get you those help out, okay? So this should hopefully look familiar to you guys from last year, okay? Okay, so what we're going to say here is that you're going to multiply everything outside the brackets by everything inside the brackets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my little symbol here. So the 3 has to get multiplied by the x, and then the 3 has to get multiplied by the 2. Yeah, that's the whole idea of this. Okay.
We have the rainbow.
The rainbow. We'll get to that in a minute here, though. Okay, so 3 times x is 3x. Okay, so that's what 3 times x means. And 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, now I'm going to take a step back. And I want you to be brave, and if something isn't clear, please be brave and start with that. Please be brave and ask, okay? Right, so 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times 2 is 6. So whatever's on the outside gets multiplied by whatever's on the inside. All good? Mostly? If you're not, please be brave and ask again. If you're afraid of me, Mrs. Moore is an awesome helper. She actually runs this course. You don't know this, but she actually does all the running from behind. Okay, here we go, letter B. Yeah, okay. All right, now this one looks frightening. Okay, but Nahani's going to help me through this one, the first half, okay? So what is 2 times 2x, please? 4. Thank you, Nahani. 2 times 2x is in fact 2 times 2x is in fact 4x. Very good. Nahani, keep going. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay. And that's all there is to this. Okay, right? So again, it's going to be the number times the number. Right? So 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 times negative 1 is 2. I'll do a question for Mrs. Moore. I'm going to lead you right into your joke. Are you ready, Mrs. Moore? Here we go. Now this one's going to look frightening.
I was going to say, someone like Dalen may look at that and say 4x minus 2 is 2x. We know we can't do that, right? It's not like terms.
Amen.
Thank you. So not Dalen, but someone else in the class would probably say, remember, you can't combine x's and numbers. Thank you, Mrs. Moore. Right? X's only go with x's, and numbers only go with numbers. Right? They don't go together. Okay? Now this one looks terrifying. It looks. Okay? But it's going to be the same way that we did before. That 4 is going to hit all 3 of the things inside the brackets. Okay? Now, the bravest person in this class, which is Isabel, is going to be brave and do the first part for me. Don't do the whole thing. Just handle the first part. 4 times 3x is 12x. Very good. So you see what we did there? The first times the first. 4 times 3 is 12x. Okay, so life's good. Okay, Johnny, I want you to be brave now. You can do it. So the 4 times the negative 4y is going to be what? Okay? Careful. Negative 16, though, right? Right, because 4 times 4 is 16. And remember we talked yesterday that negative times a positive is going to be a negative, right? So 4 times 4 is 16. This gets a negative. Is most people okay? I'm sorry, go ahead.
Oh.
Okay. I just want to make sure we're sort of okay on that, because this one's a tricky one. I mean, okay, I can give you one. And finally, Jaden. 4 times 5 is? Okay, now before I continue, let's just make sure we know what happened there, okay? I'll stay here. So 4 times 3 x, and so the 4 times 3, the x stays the same. 4 times negative 4, so that's negative 16, the y comes through. 4 times 5 is 20. Good. You don't have anything, Mrs. Moore? No.
Mr. Lacy always taught us by saying, think of a number outside the bracket as the friendly guy at the party who wants to shake everybody's hand. He wants to meet everybody.
Right, so what you're saying is this number 4 is shaking hands with the 3 and turn to 12, shaking hands with this 16, shaking hands with this and gets to 20.
Oh.
Good. And that's Mr.
I'm
Lacy.
just laughing.
Okay, let's move on to letter D, please. Okay, I'm going to let you guys try this one out. I'm going to pause the video, and then we'll take it up in a second. Who do we have to go over to Taylor, I think, right? I think go over to Taylor. Where's Spidey go? Spidey hasn't moved.
I'm gonna use my calculator.
Good idea. So yeah, Dylan said I want to use my calculator. That's fine. If this is going to be mental math today, but if you're saying, okay, there's negatives and positives get me mixed up, I need you to calculator, no problem with that. Right? Okay, if you think you have it already, good. If you don't have it, you get about